Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Pipeline 12521, just let me know when you guys are getting ready to cross the final for runway 22 left. Traffic's 8 to the northeast, descending out at 3,737.
Okay, I'm continuing and I'll look at that traffic. I'll let you know when I get close. I'll probably have to pass right beneath it and then head southbound at this altitude though.
Roger, yeah, just look out for that traffic. They're at your 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, 3,000 descending 737.
521 looking. First one traffic inside.
91 Mondo 22 left.
Pipeline 12521, maintain visual separation with that traffic and caution lake turbulence.
Thank you. Maintain visual caution lake 521.
That was 391 Midway Tower traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles northeastbound, 1,200 sub pipeline, correction, at Cessna. They have you on site. They are maintaining reservation with you. Runway 22 left, clear to land.
22 left, clear to land, look for traffic southwest 391.
Pipeline 521, just remain north of that traffic.
Yeah, I'm swinging north of the canal now, 521.
One center, hold short, let's go.
Traffic inside 8, southwest 391, responding, getting back on quiet.
That was 391, roger. And Fable runway 22 left, clear to land.
Alright, it's able 22 left, clear to land. We did have an RA.
Roger.
No, we're not going to. Put this on the books. We're going around because of them, and we're going around.
That was 391, roger. Maintain 3,000, fly runway heading for now.
3,000, runway heading southwest 391.
Happens way too often.
Pipeline 521, heading southbound now.
Pipeline 521, roger. That was 391, when you have to turn left heading 140.
Left turn 140, southwest 391.